Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting materials and placing your reference nearby. Draw a light oval for the head, add a center line, and mark the eye line about 1/3 down the head. Once done, sketch simple shoulder and torso guides so proportions stay accurate. These guide placements determine Elsa's stylized face. Make sure to keep strokes gentle so you can refine features later. This quick foundation saves time and anchors the pose before you commit to details. You now refine facial features and map expression. Place the eyes, set the nose bridge, and position the mouth with slight upturn for Elsa's composed look. Once the face reads well, draw the hairline and plan the braid path with long sweeping curves that flow over the shoulder. Make sure to define key volumes, cheeks, jaw, and eye sockets so hair sits naturally. Then clean up overlapping guidelines. This makes inking faster and preserves the dynamic movement of the braid. You ink with deliberate, varied strokes, thicker on outer contours and thinner for inner details, then let the ink dry and erase pencil marks. Once clear, add soft shading under the chin, along hair strands, and inside braid folds to suggest depth. Keep values simple to maintain a clean, animated look. Finally, inspect proportions and tweak small areas like eye spacing or braid anchors. If something looks off, adjust line weight, or erase a section and redraw rather than overworking the piece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.